Hey Chris. Oh, hey Chris. Hey everyone, it's Chris here from FitMyCar. Recently a few of you have been asking for some instructions on how to fit our seat covers in your vehicle. At FitMyCar, getting the right fit is important to us. So today I'll show you the key steps in ensuring that your front and your rear seat covers are fit tight and snug as possible. To see what the finished product looks like, we've already fitted the passenger seat. As you can see, it's a great fit, and now we'll go through the driver's seat to show you how you can achieve a fit like this too. Now the car we're using might have different seats to yours. However, all instructions should be very similar, if not the same. Make sure to just take your time and ensuring that you're using the correct seat covers for the right seats, and we'll know you'll get the fit right. We're going to start with the driver's side seat today. The first thing to do is take the headrest off the seat. We'll put this aside for later. Next, we will fit the cover to the back support section of the seat. Put it over the seat and slide it down till it is nice and snug. Pull the tassels through the front to the rear section and tie them together so they don't come apart. Once the back support area is in place, we can now fit the base. Fit it over the seat so it's nice and tight. Here, I'll show you how the base cover secures firmly to your seat. First, undo the Velcro attachment from the tassel, then loop it through the D-ring on the opposite side of the cover and stick it back onto the tassel. Try and get the connection as tight as possible. Finally, slip the headrest cover on and connect the Velcro straps nice and tight. Slide the headrest down onto your seat and your seat cover should be all fitted correctly. Next, we're going to fit the rear seats. Like with the front seats, the first step is to remove the headrests and leave them out of the way. Once again, fit the back support sections over the seat and slide them down till they're nice and tight. Take your time with these, and if there is any carpet attachments behind the seats themselves, pass the tassels around the side of them to make sure that they can be tightened securely. Make sure all the sections are completed. If your back seat is in multiple sections, you'll have to do them all separately. Once this is nice and snug, place the base cover over the rear seat and ensure it's nice and tight. The base of the rear seat doesn't have Velcro like in the front. Instead, it has normal tassels which run all down the seat. To secure the base, tie one tassel together with another located on the opposite side of the cover. Depending on your car, it may be hard to reach underneath the seat and it may need to be unbolted to get a tight fit. Finally, fit all the headrest covers on and tighten the Velcro straps before refastening them back onto the seat. And we're all done. As you can see, covers look good, fit nice and snug. Hopefully yours looks as good and gives your car the protection it needs.